After watching this video, you will know how to switch on and off your hearing aid, be able to differentiate a left hearing aid from a right hearing aid, know how to safekeep your hearing aid, and be able to operate the control buttons on your hearing aid.
With so many types of hearing aids, I really wouldn't know which one suits my needs best. Thanks for going through the selection with me.
You're most welcome.
Maybe I should try out my hearing aid now.
No. Before you put on your hearing aid, there's some basic information you need to know. Let me walk you through now.
Your hearing aid is made up of two parts, the main body and the speaker. The main body holds the microphone, the battery, the amplifier, and the control buttons. The speaker is connected to the body by a thin cable. The microphone first picks up the sound, and the amplifier will process it and send an electrical signal to the speaker via the cable. The speaker will output the sound directly into your ear canal. Firstly, identify the right and left hearing aid. A blue marker is for the left hearing aid. A red marker is for the right hearing aid. It may be helpful to think that R stands for red and right. Do not swap the hearing aids as their settings are not the same. To power your hearing aid, you need to insert the battery into the battery compartment. Open the battery compartment gently. Insert a new battery into the compartment. Ensure that the positive sign or the flat surface is facing up. If the direction is wrong, the compartment will not close properly. Do not close the compartment forcefully. Close the battery compartment completely to turn on the hearing aid. It is important that you switch off your hearing aid whenever you are not using it to maximize the battery life. You can switch it off by leaving the battery compartment ajar to disconnect the battery. When you remove your hearing aid, always return them to their box to keep them safe and dry. Remove your hearing aid before retiring to bed at night. On your hearing aid, there is a button for adjusting the volume. To turn down the volume, briefly press the bottom part of the button. To turn the volume up, press the top part of the button. Some hearing aids come with a remote control. Do check with your audiologist on its usage.
So, these are some of the basic features of your hearing aid that you must be aware of before you start wearing them.
I'm glad you told me. Otherwise, I'll be definitely wasting the battery life and also wonder what the button on the hearing aid is for.